knowing that you're a daily sinner? How do you pray for yourself? What do you say? This is Peter Gracey, poet and author. And in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece I wrote called The Sinner's Prayer. When my hands are weak, you make them strong. When my knees are buckled, you chug them along. When I feel I'm in poor health, you send me a happy song. When my mind goes astray, you right my wrongs. When I'm hungry for food, you make me content. Maybe not with nutrition, but in a divine extent. When I'm withered and dried and no water to sip, with continued thirst for your love, praises pour from my lips. I will be anxious for nothing as you provide all I need. I will give thanks when I have not, acknowledge the presence and take heed. I am thankful for life, for each and every breath. I am thankful to know I have triumphed over death. Though I'm a daily sinner, according to this world, again I acknowledge the presence. At least I confess my transgressions' existence. Keep me safe from myself and keep me pulling through. My entire life would be of no use if it was not for you. So mote it be.